But you need to practice more for the sides.
Side, here. Or here.
No, the sides.
The side I have. Sabihin nyo nga sa akin kung mali yung sasabihin ko. Kasi, marami kasi dito na nagda-drive. Para yung mga utak ba. Pag nagda-drive, turn off yung utak. So, di ba pag sa roundabout kasi, very important yan. Kasi muntik naman kami madisgrasya today. Hindi dahil yun sa meron kasing papa-approaching na kami sa roundabout. So, pag nasa roundabout po kayo, I will be teaching here. Hindi po ako nagdra-drive and tell me if I'm saying it wrong, please. Kasi madami kaming na-encounter. So crazy gays nowadays go to the mall. Someone in the Philippines gay. That's why sometimes the gays in Philippines asking for respect, but they are the one making the people not to respect them. You know, someone go to the mall only wearing towel. Bath towel, white bath towel on the body, and then towel on the head. I show it here on Facebook Reel. My goodness, if you want to be respected, you have to, you know. Kaya minsan mga LGBT hindi nire-respeto eh. Because of that, yeah, that's only my opinion. Pero syempre, if you want to be respected, ikaw mismo, the only one who can make that. Respect is not something to ask from someone. It is given to you without, you know, ikaw yung mismo. Oh my gosh.
But you need to practice more for the sides.
Side, here. Or here.
No, the sides.
The side I have. I was an OJT. An OJT training. Hindi yan joke. This is not a joke. Oh, I had an award of Miss Body. You saw it. It's there.
You know what will help you for that? The one that you tried last time.
I had a Miss Body Beautiful before. Yeah. So, anyway, before anything else, this is more important to make us fat. There you have food here. And it's a lot.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's from Paris. Paris. Galing po sa Inos ko. So ito.
Dolce Gabbana.
Dolce Gabbana. So ito po. I-ano na natin to. Ilagay natin to sa ito oh. Ayan. This is half of dolls. Tapos, I want this to wash this na because this is the whole. Ayan. Oh.
Looks good, yeah?
Yes.
I look better, but...
Yeah. So, ito. Isa't kalahati because Lola gave me more. You say, oy, there. Uy, Lola. This is pork. This is also pork. But this is only the pork chop for grilling. Yan. This is for grilling. And grilling. So many. Tinapon. I hope it will fit in our fridge. Kasi maliit ang fridge namin. So, and then Lola gave us this chicken wings. And then this one, this is beef as usual. Yes, baby.
Mom, I don't want to clear my nose.
Can you please pick up a new one, baby? Beatrice getting colds. And this one, this is beef, ground beef. I think we will make this one today. Ground beef, yes. And now my nose is flowing too. Ay, hawa na to. And this is pork chop too without bones. Kasi yung isa kanina may bones. You know, magkaiba yun. Ang bones without bones. This is with a bit fat. Yan. Pork chop din. So, ito. Yes, good for grilling. So, and we have here the beef, chicken breast. Left and right. Ayan. And then, we have here, again, we have a lot of this. Next time, we should not ask this for Lola. But they bought a lot of this. Chicken legs. So, ganyan ka yung supply natin for this month. Today, we already went out to buy some sand kasi may gagawin nga ako doon sa working area. So, madami-dami tayong gagawin. Ako pala. Madami-dami pa yung gagawin ko. So, I have to clean it up. So, medyo busy-busy tayo. Hindi ko naman i-vlog lahat yon kasi ayoko naman na nai-istorbo ako. I don't want to be disturbed while doing something. I want to make it without camera. Istorbo lang yung camera. Wala naman. Ayan. Ito yung supply. Supply of the week. Ayan. Saka ito. Ayan. Supply. I don't know.
I hope you got something healthy and tasty.
Healthy and tasty. Yan. Yan. Ganyan yung ano natin. So, hugasan ko po. So, yan. Pasalamat pa rin kasi pang hindi kakasya yung ating mga kailangan dito. So, ayan. Hati-hati na natin para kada defrost. I-ano na lang. Yung defrosting ba? Hindi na ibabalik sa loob. Yung ibang pasalamat pa rin kasi yung iba problema kung saan kukuha ng makakain, diba? Tayo ng problema lang tayo kung paano natin ito kasyahin sa ating fridge. Gusto ko sana kumain sa labas kaso lang yung asawa ko ayun hindi na yata magdadrive din. Nakailang labas-pasok na kami ngayon. Katatlo na yata. Kasi dito, tapos ano pa, binigyan pa ng pera. Binigyan pa kami ng pera. Iba talaga pag ano, mas maganda yung pensyon, no? Para naman sila kasi mapagkakagastusan, hindi kami lang. Next time, we should not ask anymore the chicken legs,
I don't ask.
this one, oh. Yeah, I know. Because we still have a lot in the fridge, actually. Of chicken legs. And then chicken wings, we have to. Minsan kahit ayaw natin, gagawin na lang natin kasi wala na tayong magagawa eh, wala na mapaglagyan kasi ayaw ko nang gagawin. Ay, hindi kasya eh. Kaya so, ayan lang yung storya ng ating kwento today. At least napakasya ko. Diba? Diyan ka lang. Nagluluto na ako.
I walk miles to get to you, babe. I don't know why I can't see you there. I've tried to be there, but every day I'm harder, and now it's break my heart, babe. I've tried to.
Ito yung beef. Gawa tayo ng burger. Yung ingredients pala ng ating burger, ano lang, beef, carrots, and breadcrumbs, of course, and garlic, pepper, soy sauce. So, yun lang. So, yung carrots, yan lang yung kudkurin nyo lang yung carrots para makakain ng healthy yung anak ninyo. So, yun yung ginagawa ko. May sabihin pala ako sa inyo guys kanina. sa mga, kasi importante to sa mga tao na nagda-drive dito sa Europe. Hindi lang dito sa Portugal, but around Europe. Sabihin nyo nga sa akin kung mali yung sasabihin ko. Kasi marami kasi dito na nagda-drive para yung mga utak ba. Pag nagda-drive, turn off yung utak. So, di ba pag sa roundabout kasi, very important yan. Kasi muntik naman kami madisgrasya today. Hindi dahil yun sa meron kasing papa-approaching na kami sa roundabout. May babae, sabi ko sa asawa ko, be careful. There is a racer. Racer tawag namin dyan eh. Sabi ko, there is a racer approaching. Dito lang naman kasi is, sa roundabout, 2 lane. 2 lane lang naman. 2 lanes guys. Lanes. So, yung 2 lanes na yan, it's either you will, if you will not turn left on the first exit, doon po kayo sa inner lanes. Okay? Doon po kayo sa inner lanes inner lane, drive. Okay? Hindi ako nagda-drive, pero Diyos ko, kayong nagda-drive, hindi nyo alam yung rules. So, yan, today, yung asawa ko, galing kami sa store kasi nag-grocery kami. Tapos, yung babae, nagda-drive, sabi ko sa asawa ko, be careful, kasi nga, there's a woman approaching na racer. Tapos, nasa roundabout na kami, hindi namin makikita kung saan yung sasakyan. It just happened na ang car po namin ay merong feature na makikita mo yung blind spot. Ini-inform ka ng car kung may blind spot. Kung may sasakyan sa may blind spot. Hindi ko nakikita, kahit lumingon ako sa labas, hindi ko talaga nakikita. Pero kita ko yung sasakyan sa side mirror nagre-red. Alam mo yon na merong sasakyan sa blind spot. Yung babaeng yon nandun. Siyempre, nasa kabila, nandito siya. Nandito kami. So, hindi siya lumiko sa first na exit from the road. So, pag nasa roundabout po kayo, I will be teaching here. Hindi po ako nagdra-drive, and tell me if I'm saying it wrong, please. Kasi madami kaming na-encounter sa roundabouts, which is very important. Kaya maraming lumilipad dyan sa roundabouts eh. So, yan. If you will not go exit to the first exit from where you from, you will have to stay on the left lane po, inner. Huwag po kayong magstay sa outer. Okay? So, nangyari, what happened to us? Merong babae dito. She don't go exit to the first exit. Kumbaga, doon din siya mag-exit sa second namin. Pero kami, doon din kami pupunta. So, what will happen kung maganon kami? Kung lumiko bigla yung asawa ko? So, since nakita ng asawa ko yung nasa blind spot ng car, na merong nag-red yung car namin sa side mirror, nag-stop siya. So, hinayaan na yung babae lumikot. And what happened? Merong truck po na nasa roundabout din na approaching. Pero supposedly, he should stop. Hindi siya nag-stop. So, ang nangyari, gumanon yung babae, nandito kami, nandito yung sasakyan na tin-wheelers. Tin-wheelers ba yun? O basta, dump truck, trucking, whatever. Gumanon. Nag-stop yung asawa ko kasi hindi kami makaganon eh. Kasi nandun yung trucking. Ganon. Nakaganon na lang ako. Sa truck. So, yun. But it just happened naman, kahit yung truck na near siya, hindi naman kasi sa sasakyan, magsisignal yan eh. Around, yun kasi yung kagandahan sa feature ng sasakyan na yan. Hindi ko man pinopromote, pero yun yung sasakyan na feature na meron kasing distances sa front, sa side, kung malapit ka ng mabangga, whatever. Kasi sa last video ko, nakikita nyo na nag-argue kami ng asawa ko kasi sabi niya, hindi kasi doon kasi yun ang reason bakit nabangga yung back namin kasi hindi niya ginamit yun. Atras lang siya ng atras. Kahit yung may tatlo kasi yun, green, orange, at red. Pag green, warning. Orange, almost there. Pag red, bump ka na. So, once na green na, alert ka na. O kasi yun sa monitor. Kahit hindi ako lumingon sa back, nakikita mo yun sa monitor, yung posisyon ng sasakyan nyo. Dahil sa back camera. Yun, ganun yung nangyari sa amin today. Muntik na naman kami. Has so many videos po na ina-upload ko. Palagi kaming may binubusinahan. So, please, pag nag-drive kayo, I think you should review your driving lessons, especially sa mga roundabouts. Yan. Especially dyan, marami kami na-encounter. At saka, maraming tao dito nagsushortcut sa curve. Ang bilis nila eh. Ang bilis nila sa mga straight line, mabilis yan. Pati curve, mabilis din. Kaso lang, yun nga lang. Inoccupy nila yung space, yung sa kabilang lane. Yun yung nangyayari. They cannot slow down. Kasi you are the one who will adjust. Yes, we will adjust. Everyone will adjust for you guys. Don't worry. My God. Kaya ang layo-layo na mararating nyo. Malayo mararating nyo sa langit. Oo. So, ganyan. Ay, God. So, paki-review po. Review ng, ano po ninyo, ng, about sa driving lesson nyo sa roundabout. Okay? Diyos ko. Baka sabi niya, hindi ka lang nagda-drive kaya hindi mo alam. Hello, baka kung pa-driving ko kayo doon sa place na kung saan ako nag-drive, baka 1 hour lang kayo. Hindi na kayo mag-i-exist sa world. Diyos mio. Basta ganyan, review nyo. Dahil munti ka na naman kaming mabangga today dahil sa mga attitude ng mga tao dito na kayo ang mag-adjust sa amin. O sige, kami na mag-adjust. Mag-adjust kayo sa heaven. So, yeah, ganyan. So, magluluto tayo. Continue natin to. Kawawa naman yung asawa ko. Stress. You are causing stress to other people. Diyos mio. At saka ha, one thing. Lumalabas kami yung hindi traffic pa yan ha. Kasi ayaw nga namin makisabayan. Ayaw nga namin makisabayan dyan sa Diyos ko God. Ang oras na. I need to buy. Turn off yung brain eh. Basta gusto lang ganyan. So, alis muna ako. Kasi wala pala kaming itlog. Kalimutan ko na naman. So, punta ako dun sa ano. So, I'm going to continue my cooking later. O yan, naano ko na yung carrot. Tsaka lagyan ko pala ng, bago ko makalimutan, lagyan natin ng breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs. Tansya meter. Oy, I will put pala onion. Later na din. Ewan ko sa mga tao sa universe eh. Diyos ko, God help me. Uy. I will go out, buy breadcrumbs, okay?